do this. And then I'm Natan Diacon-Furtado. I'm a collaborative artist and designer, and I'm originally trained as a cultural anthropologist and an architect. So what we're going to do today, drawing conceptually from work created for the exhibit, our patterns, the orator, the astronomer, and the poet, the Wylie House Museum. We're going to communally explore our ability to create meaning and connection through design, utilizing only meaningless scrap material. This is the key part. Though you don't have to reveal what it is, the goal of each pattern is going to be to use a visual language of your own invention to tell us a secret. So I don't want to know what your secret is. You don't have to tell people what your secret is, but that's going to be what we're going to use to make this pattern, right? So I'm going to come over here, I'm just going to pick some scrap. And then I'm like not trying to make this beautiful right now. I don't really think anybody should ever be trying to make things beautiful. And I showed you one way to do it, and you can do it however you want, because, you know, I don't believe in rules. So let's get going.